Não desistam de ser programador por causa desses robôs.
So, I am back in this channel to make videos about the software engineering and the programming to help you to improve your professional life and your English skill. So, I am a Brazilian man and I have been working with programming about 10 years, and in this moment, in this video, I will talk about some stuffs with the artificial intelligence. The companies is make us more productivity with more responsibilities and the different contents and the business roles to handle, and it makes me more productivity, and it increases my knowledge about programming and software engineering and the other stuffs. And I was thinking about this because sometimes we think that this behavior that is making with us is damaging, but it's a good problem. I think good problem because we think that it's a problem that make us with less productivity, but no. When you increase your knowledge, what happens? Think with me. You have more knowledge. You have more motivation. It trains you for resolve problems faster than you expected in the past, because when you accept and the forced work in your life, in your professional life, you will train your mind to resolve problems, resolve issues easily in the future. But in this present moment, we think this is a not good behavior. It's a damage for us. But no, in this moment, you not have the capacity to absorb all of this information and to use this in your life, because you must have sometimes in the future to absorb this and to use this in your benefits. So just accept what are happening in this moment in your professional life. You are learning more knowledge about another tools that you don't have knowledge, like some programming language, for example, some tools, some business roles that you are learning in this moment while you are resolve problems. So just accept this forced work, because you have this compensation in the future. So in this company or in another company, for example, but your mind, you're changing in this moment. You are not to change your mind. You are just thinking that it's a damage in your life. But no, in the future you see this compensation, and you absorb this knowledge with more capacity to use this knowledge in the future in your benefits, as I said. So don't give up in this moment. Don't give up while you are resolving a lot of problems. You have a lot of tasks to resolve in 1 week. I understand you. I am in this moment to resolve problems as well. A lot of problems. Month by month, your superiors will talk to you, show you the problems, show you the problems that you are having, and the improvements that you must have for your professional life. You just accept it, because in this company, in this moment, you are learning about a lot of knowledge than in the past, before the artificial intelligence. In this moment, you have another team member available for you to resolve your problems. Any moments you talking to this another team member, like ChatGPT, you get answers, the right answer to help you. So don't give up and force your mind to get used to work in this way, because this behavior is not in your company that you are working on in this moment. It happens in most of companies in this moment. But in the future, I guess it will change. Make sure it will change. You know, because in this moment we have a new feature, a new tool that all the programming world discovered. And in this moment we are working that we think that it is a right way to work, side by side with the artificial intelligence. But I think this will change in the future. Make sure. Because the most companies and the programmers and the programming life will realize that we will need to change this behavior, to adapt and to be more productivity for working as a programmer. So don't give up. It's a tip, and just accept in this moment this behavior, and just wait, just to do your better job that you can do in this moment, and wait for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, but don't giving up. Just try to observe this knowledge that you are receiving this moment. There's a lot of tools, a lot of tasks, a lot of business roles that you are forced to work in this moment. Observe it and get it part of your life, that you need it in the future for the next company. Don't give up. Thank you for watching, and I hope it may helps you through your professional life. Don't give up, programmers. To comment below, I want to know what types of content you want to learn and hear from me and watch in this channel. So, thank you. See you later.